Alright, so before I get into the video about whatever's in the title, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Do Raw for making a really awesome video with a bunch of people that sent in their clips of them singing the chorus. It was really cool. It came out really cool. I'm gonna leave a link for it down in the description. I'll probably share it also. But I just want to say thank you for making, letting me be a part of that. I really appreciate it. Yeah, so on to the video. Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Craig Talks About It. Today, I'm going to be answering a question. Whether or not this bottle of silicone here can repair this nice gash in my speaker that my daughter decided to poke into. This is one of the things that happens when you have kids. You get nice gashes inside of your speakers here. Don't mind how dirty it is. I will really need to clean it, but it's a really old speaker. I've had it since, I don't know, I was 13 or 14, 15 years. And I think they're old even before I got them at the thrift store. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on there and see what happens. See if it is. First, let's do a sound test. I mean, you can hear it. It's not good. It's not good. Wait for the bass to kick in. Do not be afraid. See? See, and it'll do that even when I'm not pushing on it, it'll do that mid-song. I don't know, let's see if it fixes it. Alright guys, so I got it on there pretty good. I'm not sure. I think it's gonna work. I mean, it's gonna sound better than it did before, so. Now we just gotta play the waiting game, wait for it to dry, and we'll do another sound test and see how it sounds. Looks like it's worked pretty well. It's pretty solid. It's been drying for quite a while. This one's got a chin hair stuck to it. But yeah, let's give it a test. It's definitely not doing that buzz anymore, which is nice. I approve. The question has been answered. It works until my daughter decides to poke her finger through it again. I have an idea to make a cool faceplate, but I want to make it custom and cool and whatnot, so I don't know. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll see you on another day. Back in loops. No one is watching, it's okay.